deep beneath the ocean's surface. In a world of crushing pressure and eternal twilight lives a creature of almost mythical design. A fish so extraordinary it seems to have leaped from the pages of a fantasy novel. This is the story of the long-tailed fish, a true water warrior and a testament to the marvels of evolution. Join us as we dive into the abyssal plains and bustling coastal bays to uncover the secrets of this captivating species. For centuries, sailors and deep-sea explorers have shared tales of strange and wondrous creatures lurking in the depths. Among these legends, the long-tailed fish stands out, not just for its striking appearance, but for its incredible adaptations and sophisticated behaviors. To marine biologists and ocean enthusiasts, this fish is more than just a curiosity. It's a living library of evolutionary history, holding clues to the survival strategies that thrive in the planet's most extreme environments. So, what makes the long-tailed fish so special? The answer begins with its most defining feature, a tail that can stretch to lengths far exceeding its body. This isn't just for show. This remarkable appendage is a product of millions of years of natural selection honed to perfection to navigate a world filled with both peril and opportunity. From the shadowy deep-sea trenches where sunlight never reaches to the vibrant, chaotic life of coastal waters, the long-tailed fish has carved out a niche for itself, thanks to its unparalleled agility and power. Imagine trying to move through a dense, unseen landscape. That's the daily reality for these fish. Their elongated bodies, streamlined and muscular, coupled with that extraordinary tail, allow them to execute turns and bursts of speed with breathtaking precision. This agility is not a luxury, it's a fundamental tool for survival. When hunting, the long-tailed fish can dart through complex underwater structures, ambushing unsuspecting prey. When threatened, it can perform evasive maneuvers that would leave most predators dizzy and confused. It's a ballet of survival, choreographed by evolution itself. But the tail is so much more than just a rudder or a propeller. It's a multi-purpose instrument, a Swiss Army knife of the deep. One of its most dramatic uses is for defense. When confronted by a predator or a rival, the long-tailed fish can unleash its tail in a rapid, whip-like strike. This powerful blow is often enough to stun an attacker, creating a precious window for escape. Scientists have observed these displays of force, noting the sheer velocity and impact the tail can generate. It's a clear message to anyone who dares to challenge it: I am not easy prey. The tail also plays a central role in the language of the long-tailed fish. In the dark depths, where visual cues are often limited, communication is key. Through subtle twitches, grand sweeps, and rhythmic undulations of its tail, the fish can convey a range of signals to others of its kind. These movements can indicate territorial boundaries, warn of approaching danger, or signal a willingness to cooperate. It's a silent, elegant dance that governs their social interactions. Perhaps the most spectacular use of the tail is during the mating season. This is when the long-tailed fish truly puts on a show. Males, in particular, will engage in elaborate courtship displays. Their tails, which may develop vibrant, iridescent colors during this time, become the centerpiece of a dazzling performance. They ripple and wave them in complex patterns, showcasing their strength, health, and genetic fitness to potential mates. A female will choose her partner based on the vigor and artistry of this display. It's a beauty pageant where the grand prize is the continuation of the species, and the tail is the star performer. Beyond their individual prowess, long-tailed fish are vital members of their marine communities. They are what ecologists call a keystone species, meaning their presence has a disproportionately large effect on their environment relative to their abundance. As skilled predators, they help control the populations of smaller fish and invertebrates. By keeping these numbers in check, they prevent any single species from overgrazing and destroying crucial habitats like coral reefs and seagrass beds. At the same time, they themselves are a source of food for larger predators, such as deep-sea sharks and marine mammals. This position in the middle of the food web makes them a critical link, transferring energy up and down the ecological ladder. The health and abundance of the long-tailed fish population is often a direct indicator of the overall health of the marine ecosystem. When these fish thrive, it's a sign that the environment is balanced and robust. Conversely, a decline in their numbers can be an early warning sign of pollution, overfishing, or climate-related stress. For a long time, fish were often dismissed as simple, instinct-driven creatures. But recent studies on the long-tailed fish are completely shattering these old assumptions. Behavioral experiments have revealed a surprising level of intelligence and cognitive ability. These fish demonstrate remarkable problem-solving skills. For instance, when presented with a novel challenge, like a puzzle box containing food, they don't just rely on brute force. They observe, they learn, and they adapt their strategies. Researchers have documented instances of long-tailed fish using tools, a behavior once thought to be exclusive to primates and some birds. They might use a jet of water to dislodge a crustacean from a crevice or use a rock to crack open a hard-shelled mollusk. This level of cognitive flexibility is extraordinary for a fish and opens up entirely new avenues for research into the evolution of intelligence. It forces us to reconsider what it means to be smart and to recognize that complex thought can arise in even the most unexpected corners of the animal kingdom. This newfound appreciation for their intelligence also sheds light on their social lives. Long-tailed fish have been observed forming complex social structures, sometimes even cooperating in hunts. They seem to recognize individuals and remember past interactions, forming alliances and rivalries. This social complexity is another layer to their fascinating existence, proving that their lives are far richer and more nuanced than we ever imagined. Studying the long-tailed fish is more than just an academic exercise. It is a journey into the heart of the ocean's mysteries. Each discovery about their biology, their behavior, and their role in the ecosystem deepens our understanding of the intricate web of life that connects everything in the marine world. It reminds us that the ocean is not a homogeneous, empty expanse, but a vibrant tapestry of interconnected habitats, each with its own unique set of rules and inhabitants. However, this incredible world is under threat. The very deep-water habitats that the long-tailed fish call home are increasingly vulnerable to human activities. Deep-sea trawling can destroy ancient coral gardens and seamounts in a single pass. Pollution, from plastic debris to chemical runoff, can poison these sensitive ecosystems. And the overarching threat of climate change is altering ocean temperatures and chemistry in ways we are only beginning to understand. The long-tailed fish, with its specific habitat, requirements, and its sensitivity to environmental changes, is on the front lines of this crisis. Protecting this remarkable species means protecting its entire world. It requires a concerted effort to establish marine protected areas, to reduce pollution at its source, and to address the root causes of climate change. Conservation is not just about saving a single species. It's about preserving the integrity of the entire planetary system that sustains us all. The story of the long-tailed fish is a powerful reminder of both the resilience and the fragility of life. For millions of years, it has thrived in one of the toughest environments on Earth, evolving a suite of incredible tools to survive and flourish. It is a master of its domain, a warrior of the water, a dancer in the dark. As we learn more about this magnificent creature, we also learn more about ourselves and our responsibility to be stewards of this planet. The fate of the long-tailed fish, and countless other species like it, rests in our hands. Let's work to ensure that their extraordinary story continues for generations to come, a lasting symbol of the wild and wondrous beauty of our oceans. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the world of the long-tailed fish. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more adventures into the natural world. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.